Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So this is first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and this is search and click on enter your model number of motherboard Z790DX and then hit enter. Then click on name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so this is also installations process same. Chipset, so Intel serial drivers. So click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Then you can see here after that it's completed, just single click to open. And this is the exe, this is your driver, so double click to run and then click on yes. After you can say is installing. So it is closed means is install and then close it. Then Intel INF installations and just click to download. Same, it is completed. It will show on this pop-up on here and just open it. And this is extract, so you have to double click on this file. This is exe and just click on the yes. Now this is installing. So it is closed means this is installed and then close it.